Hey guys, everybody out there who's interested in this Roundup cancer trial, I am trying to give you guys a little bit of an update. I've had people from around the world calling and emailing me and just asking me for any little bits of information that I can provide. So 1 week in, we've had a lot of drama. We are still in phase 1. The trial began on February 25th. This is the second ever Roundup cancer trial. The first one, as you probably remember, resulted in a $289 million verdict against Monsanto. Lee Johnson alleged that Monsanto's glyphosate Roundup products caused his non-Hodgkin lymphoma. The judge later lowered that to $78 million. So this is really the second test of that argument that plaintiffs are making around the country with thousands of plaintiffs. And this plaintiff, his name is Edwin Hardeman. He's an older man in his 70s, and he has non-Hodgkin lymphoma as well, although he is in remission. And he was actually supposed to testify today at trial, but a sick juror has postponed things. So the plaintiffs and Monsanto today were just arguing over different pieces of evidence that may or may not be allowed into the trial. And this is something that's real important about this one because the judge has bifurcated, meaning he's created a phase 1 and a phase 2. The jurors will only hear evidence in phase 2 about Monsanto's conduct if they, first of all, find in phase 1 that Monsanto's Roundup products did in fact cause Mr. Hardeman's cancer. If they don't agree to that, then there will be no second phase. So it's an unusual way to try the case. Another trial that's coming up in March, the judge is not going to bifurcate that one. So this one is a little bit unusual. The plaintiff's lead attorney, Amy Wagstaff, actually was sanctioned by the judge on the very first day of trial because he thought she crossed the line and that she was giving jurors evidence that he once withheld until phase 2. So it's pretty controversial. They lost 2 jurors right off the bat, so we're now down to 7. If this sick juror remains sick and has to be removed, we'll be down to 6, and 6 jurors are required to go forward with the trial. And for a finding for the plaintiff, they all must agree that Monsanto's Roundup caused his cancer. So, it's high stakes. I know Bayer investors are watching. The share prices in Bayer plummeted after the first verdict. So, there are a lot of different people, lawyers, plaintiffs and investors and reporters obviously keeping an eye on this. So you can look at US Right to Know website. We're posting all the court documents and the transcripts of the hearings and a trial tracker to just try to keep you posted. So stay tuned. Bye.